So what do we have here? We have a Litton Go Anywhere microwave. It was purchased in 1985. It still works. 1985. What's that? 38 years ago. And it still works. The buttons still work. The light still works. So, when am I making this video? Well, what do we have there inside the microwave? The date and a picture of a celebrity just made famous a couple days ago. Take that out. Take out that junk. The light still works. It's gone out twice and come back on its own twice. Put a little cup of something in there. Time, 20 seconds. Is any of the technology that is made today this good? In 1985, they could make buttons that would last 38 years. Does any of your stuff last that long? Just imagine how many microwaves would not be in the dump today if they were made as good as this thing.